guys. Anyways, hello everyone, salam. It's today I had my treatment this morning. It's maybe tomorrow it's Labarang. Now let me tell you why I say maybe. Quick story. I know lekker story vertel. Bear with me. My dad, whenever he said, no, the Labarang's going to fall on this day, he was always right. For this year, 50 years of my life, he was always right. But one year, I think it was 2016 to 15, somewhere around there, I can be wrong. I was by my friend helping there with Labarang. You know, before I got ill, baie besige mens. I love going to people, helping, making food. Ek slaap sommer op die couch, ek worry nie. Then it was I think in the heart of winter. I know it was dark outside, but it wasn't late. So everyone was convinced the next day is not Labarang. Everyone I know, even my daddy. Anyways, there's some meats out, whatever, just in case, but not everything. We're really convinced. We're sitting in the lounge talking, you know, excited, talking about this and that, you know, when old friends get together and family. Here's the radio was on. Voice of the Cape. And here they come with the announcement. He's laid back pajamas. It's Labarang the next day. I've never seen people jump out of their seats to start with the food prepping, making desserts. As it happens, not even 30 seconds later, you just hear cars pulling out the driveway, speeding into somewhere, I don't know where. But you could feel in the air the panic, but excitement as well. Huge excitement. That night, Vanwil glo as hierdie next daggie. We had to put the meat in cold water. I was making desserts. With my one hand, I had a hand whisk in the one bowl. In the other hand, I had the electric mixer. And between pauses, I had my WhatsApp on. For family, friends, they were all like, now panicking, they need advice. What must they do? Blah, blah, blah. And I was still helping. That days, I could still do that. Now I can't even type properly because, yeah. And my brain is foggy. Lo and behold. But it came together, but the excitement is just something else. This time of the year, Ramadan and Eid, my favorite time is the evening when you go to Tarawih. That's always been my favorite growing up because I had this white top, white scarf, white top pants that matches the top, and a petticoat, everything. And then I still remember using the sunlight green soap and washing it, rinsing it and hanging up, and the excitement of going to masjid and the peacefulness that comes over you when they are reciting the Quran. And then the last week, everyone get excited, you know. So I'm so excited. Unfortunately, but I'm so accepting of it. I'm so the freedom. I've only had one Eid with my family since 2020. Which I'm so grateful for. I made a video. It's on my YouTube. was the best. But other times I couldn't. One reason was Verona. The others, I was very sick. I had to be isolated. And during chemo, I can't really have lots of people. So you have to make that hard choice to rather do video calls, and they send me videos and some drop of food. Yeah. But I'm in the gears. I'm like, I'm so excited. I can't wait. So tonight, later on, I'm gonna do another video of the maan kijkers, the moon sighters. They was going to go see the sighting of the moon, and then they're gonna announce it. Yeah, that is so. That's epic. And then you sit there and you listen. Anyways, but I'm gonna record it tonight, and then I'm also gonna post it. And wherever you are, where you find yourself in the world, and you're excitedly waiting for Eid, for Labarang, and people still running around. Die barbershops is vol, die dressmakers is besig. Load shedding is not helping at all. So I told my family to do like little snippets and videos of their day. I'll do also of me tomorrow, whatever I'm doing. And then I'll put it together and I'll put it on my YouTube channel. But other than that, ek is so tevrede. I am so happy. I am so happy. Always I make dua for everyone. I pray for everyone. Pray that everyone feels this peace. Please remember, I don't always feel like this. I have my down moments, and yeah, as we all human. But yeah, if tomorrow's Labarang, my advice is you can make desserts. If Labarang's not tomorrow, you can make it now. It's safe. You can also make, if you're planning on making like a noodle salad, a special noodle salad, or a pasta salad. What is nou I move? Potato salad, whatever you think that you know is proe beter as it sit, when it sits. So you always remember when you make these salads and you make barakata. How would you die barakat for the next dag or even the next dag? Yeah. So my nieces made the peppermint custard and a cheesecake, no bake cheesecake, and in containers, Tupperware with the lids, no fancy bowls or anything, into the fridge. So it will sit there. If it's Labarang tomorrow, it's fine. It will be fine. The Sunday. And what other tips can I do, especially with load shedding? Try to make a fire outside if you have a pochi. Make your curry in there or your rice dish. Your seafood curry. When you're making a seafood curry, make it like a seafood boil. Add mussels, potato, a small cut of mealies. Oh, amazing. What else? Keep water, jugs of water, and throw in some lemon and lemon slices. It's very good for you when you eat afterwards. Don't go heavy. You'll enjoy yourself more when you stop at a certain level. No, excess is not good. Always tell yourself, tonight is maybe I'll list for it, or tomorrow morning, or tomorrow afternoon. So just limit yourself and you'll enjoy yourself more. Moenie 3 behore kaftie sê. Get nice, take your time, eat lekker, enjoy every morsel, because it's such a beautiful day. People worked hard, you know, to get this food. Some had to get stuff up skilled. We did that growing up. And as I need a see, some will be bookie koop, or be bookie. And I was skaamte vir tiny because people understood. There's no shame. Don't feel ashamed. What else? I love you guys. You guys blow me away with all your amazing support and comments and just so much love. And yeah, I'll see you later after the results van die maankykers. I love you guys. Enjoy the prep work if you are busy. And the smile that's going to permeate not just through the house but the street. People's going to know when it's Labarang. Okay, love you guys.